Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today we're going to be going over a band glute activation. So glute activations are awesome, and I usually like to do them before any leg day just to warm up my glutes and make sure that they are turned on and ready to take on whatever load I'm going to put them under. So all you need is one of these mini loop bands. I got mine on Amazon, or also I got a lot of bands from PEScience.com. I'll drop the link in the description box below as well. Let's get started. So to start, you're going to need a mini loop band that is either light or medium. You don't want one that is super, super heavy. You're going to step into the loop band and then put it just above your knees and get into your standard squat stance. So your feet are going to be just outside the hips with your toes slightly pointed outwards. Your back is going to be nice and straight. Pull your shoulder blades back, hands are going to be right in front of your chest. Squeezing your core tight, you're going to drop down into a squat. From here, keeping your toes and feet planted firmly on the ground, you're going to move your right knee in as far as you can, and then right back out for 10. Make sure your feet stay firm on the ground. Then switch to the left leg. Lastly, we're going to go both knees. You're going to feel a real nice burn. And whoo! Stand back up. You are going to perform this warm up for about 2 to 3 rounds, and then you'll be all set. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks, guys.